Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Guidelines for power plants having unutilized capacity. Third, India UK Energy for Growth Partnership Ministerial Energy Dialogue. Southwestern Railways Solar Story. Coming to the details. It has brought to the notice of the government that some power plants are not generating to their full capacity at any given time, and the unutilized capacity remains as idle as they are tied up under power purchase agreements. Whereas in the public interest, such power needs to be dispatched where there is a requirement in the grid by other users or consumers. In view of the above, the Ministry of Power has issued guidelines for the power plants for optimum utilization of unrequisitioned generation capacity to meet the grid requirements. Guidelines shall apply both for the power plants whose tariff has been determined under 62-63 sections of Electricity Act 2003. Any capacity that is unrequisitioned or unscheduled by procurer who has signed PPA with the generating station based on the power requirement details shared by the procurer 24 hours prior to the delivery. The generator can sell such capacity on power exchange. The generator and the procurers have the PPA would share the gains realized from sale if any of such unrequisitioned power in power exchange in the ratio of 50:50 if not otherwise provided in the PPA. Such gain will be calculated as the difference between selling price of such power and the energy charge rate as determined under section 62-63 of the Electricity Act 2003. However, the obligation for the procurer with regard to the fixed charges shall remain same in accordance with the PPA, and the power plants shall continue to have obligations and duties to make their plants available as per the terms of PPA. The third India-UK Energy for Growth Partnership Ministerial Energy Dialogue was co-chaired by Union Minister for Power and New and Renewable Energy Shri R.K. Singh from Indian side and the Right Honorable Kwasi Kwarteng MP, Secretary of State for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy from the UK side. Energy transition was major area of discussion in the dialogue, and the Energy Ministers spoke in detail on the ongoing energy transition activities in their respective countries with focus on renewables including solar, offshore wind, storage, electric vehicles, alternative fuels, etc. Both sides deliberated and agreed on forward action plan on power and clean transport, renewables, green finance and clean energy research as a part of Roadmap 2030, covering a range of topics including smart grids, energy storage, green hydrogen, charging infrastructure, battery storage, and need of mobilizing investments in renewable energy along with other proposals under multilateral collaboration. The dialogue concluded with the both sides underlining the importance of international cooperation in securing affordable and sustainable energy for the world while setting in motion concrete action plans for driving the clean energy transition in power sector. The Southwestern Railway is one of the zones which has taken giant strides aimed at the energy conservation by harnessing the solar energy. One of the significant actions taken in this direction has been installation of solar panels at stations, workshops, service buildings, level crossing gates, etc. across the zone. This will not only help in meeting power needs of all the stations but also save expenditure of the railways. The Southwestern Railway has installed about total of 4,535 kilowatt power solar panels at service buildings and major stations so far and is planning to install solar panels at 20 more stations in present financial year. The solar electricity generation during the last financial year was 49.41 lakh units, saving an electricity bill to a tune of 2.09 crore rupees. In the current financial year, so far 20.37 lakh units of solar energy has been generated, resulting in a saving of 87.17 lakh rupees. Additional news today. Ministry of Coal to launch auction for 40 new coal mines next week. Vikram Solar has commissioned 1 megawatt solar plant at Haldia Dock Complex of Kolkata Port Trust. Tata Power commissioned 6 megawatt solar rooftop system project for Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, Karnataka. TVS Motors partners with Tata Power for implementation of EV charging infrastructure across India and deploy solar power technologies. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 267.34 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 17 rupees 38 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 10 rupees 14 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 12 rupees 84 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 13 rupees 29 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 13 rupees 43 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and